Veterinarian office? You don't know what a veterinarian is?
I know what a veterinarian is.
What?
Like a pet doctor thing.
Good job. Yep, a pet doctor.
Welcome to Learning League.
Look at all of this stuff. Where is Sophia?
Hey!
Hey! What are we doing today?
I'm gonna set up this if people want to open this door and get something.
Oh, so what is this?
This is a checkup office.
Oh, is it a veterinarian office? You don't know what a veterinarian is?
I know what a veterinarian is.
What?
Like a pet doctor thing.
Good job. Yep, a pet doctor. So who's going to be our pet doctor?
See, I'm the pet doctor.
Pet doctor.
Ah! Ooh, I bumped my head on.
What's her
Barbie.
name? Doctor what?
Dr. Barbie.
Dr. Barbie?
Sorry, patience. I need you to line up. Sorry. There we go.
Okay.
You first, little pup? I think I have someone to get ready, okay? You sit right over here. Hello, you're sick? Okay. Some medicine. Now, you need to rest, okay? This is my home. There we go. Now your turn. No, I'm sorry I knocked out a chair. Put that in. Let's move these couches right over here.
Okay.
That's gooder.
What's wrong with him, doctor?
Get on the chair, so I'm gonna not go on a chair. Do you have a bellyache? No. I just have my tail. My bones are broken. My tail thing is broken.
Oh no.
No, I need to put this.
How do we fix his tail?
I don't know. Let's get the X-ray. This is the X-ray.
The x-ray? Maybe the x-ray will tell us.
Come on. That's a broken tail. It's a bone. Okay. Let's hold this purse. This is a veterinarian purse.
A veterinarian purse?
Yeah. And it has pets, things. That I'm gonna look in here. No, not that. No. Oh, yeah, that's the purse thing. Got that.
What'd you find?
I find a bandit.
Oh.
I'm gonna dig through her tail and I'm gonna put the bandage.
Okay.
I see the bone. Put the fur back. Okay, did it.
Good job.
It's all fixed. I dig through her tail. So it didn't hurt, but bye-bye. And you need lots of rest on this pillow, okay?
So he's gonna rest in the house?
You take everything in our house out of your venture fanny. Never mind, it's okay. Ow, sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't look where I was going. And I can't see well. I'm sorry. It's okay, puppy. This is my home. This is my
What's
home.
that puppy's name?
Her name is Veg.
Veg? Good name. Good name.
Her name is Snowflake.
Snowflake. That's the best name.
Ah, I need to clean this up already.
Okay.
Poke. Oh no! Now the plant.
Oh no, it looks like a hurricane came through. What should we do?
Can you help me? Yes, I'm gonna help you. All these.
Thanks for your help, Other Barbie.
My name is Snowflake Bo.
Oh, okay.
My name is Veterinarian.
Veterinarian? She's another veterinarian?
No,
Oh,
she is.
okay.
Hide this back.
So what all do we got here? We got...
I'm gonna put this thing on top of this.
Okay.
So this chair, the sleeve. Okay. All of this cleaned up. It's all done. Oh, the plant is a little tipped over.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, did it. It's all cleaned. Okay. Next patient. Next patient. My paw hurts.
Mm-hmm.
I need help. It's okay. We have a Band-Aid. There you go. Now, when you... Do you have a bellyache too? No? I'm just gonna go. His name is Varf.
Rarf?
Varf.
Varf?
Yeah, Varf.
Snowflake and Varf.
Snowflake and
Hope you
Varf.
feel better.
Hey, we're already better, but I'm resting, okay, on this pillow.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'm Bella.
Mm.
So I'm better. Oh, no. I got you. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. I fly.
What?
I'm a superhero, actually. My name is Super Pop,
Super Pop.
Super Pop. On the rescue.
Everyone's sick.
And me. Don't forget me.
Aww.
I don't know. Whew. I need to sit down. Let's eat. Nom, 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 nom. I'm gonna get the piano. Maybe this is a sit for a piano.
Oh, I bet you do sit there and play the piano.
Dun 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 feel better dun 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 dun. I feel the better song.
I love that. That was cool.
Me first. Wait in line to get your checkups. Now, get in line. I go first. I go second. I need to go second.
They're lining up, huh?
I need to go third. I need to go fourth. I need to go right. Oh no, there's a little bit left. Let's go closer. Farther. I need to go. Can I go first? Okay, we can go for fourth. Aw, good sharing, pups. Good boy. I need to go. Ow, my paw hurts. Can I please go? Okay, you can go. Ow. Can I go? Yes, ow. My paw hurts. My. Ow. My tummy ache.
Tummy ache.
My tongue is not feeling good. It's getting ow. fine, Rita. Wait, oh, you're right there.